seems like the more modern we are becoming, the less hospitable we are becoming. A long time ago, our mothers, our grandmothers, I hope, some of them we may not have seen them, but the stories we hear is they were so happy, so excited. They used to welcome the guests. The guests used to stay. They used to, put up the dishes and everything else. As soon as the visitors came in, they would stay for a meal, 20, 50 people. It's becoming less and less common. Nowadays, mashallah, Allah's made things easy. You have Spur around the corner, and you have various others around the corner. What happens? Well, we'll eat together. You know what? Just go and buy something from around the corner. MashaAllah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us to be hospitable. Man kana yu'minu billahi wal yawmil akhiri falyukrim dayfa. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, if you believe in Allah and the last day, you should honor your guest. You should honor your guest. That having been said, don't go to someone's house and say, hey, look, I've come to you with a hadith that you need to honor the guest, Don't say that, because you need to know that at times, we abuse the religion in order to suit us. And this should not be the case. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us, forgive us, and grant us such goodness that others are encouraged when they see us. They are so happy and delighted, rather than those who see us and they run away. They don't even want to greet because they know how much of their time we are going to waste.
मैसेज टीवी के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अमन के पैगाम को फैलाने में हमारी मदद कीजिए। वीडियो के नीचे सब्सक्राइब के बटन पर क्लिक करें और मैसेज टीवी चैनल के सब्सक्राइबर बनें। सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद बेल के आइकॉन पर क्लिक कीजिए ताकि हर नई वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन बराह रास्त आपको मिल जाए। इस वीडियो को थम्स अप का बटन दबाकर लाइक कीजिए और अपनी फेसबुक वॉल और ट्विटर पर शेयर कीजिए। आपका अपना मैसेज टीवी।